Welcome back. In this video, we zoom out from individual mechanisms like consensus, hashing, mining, and ask a bigger question. Do you actually an end-to-end blockchain solution that reference architecture gives us? Every team that builds a blockchain solution from scratch tends to resolve the same problems. How do users authenticate? How does data get in from outside the chain? How do existing enterprise systems plug in? And without a shared vocabulary of layers, architects, auditors, and vendors end up talking past each other. A reference architecture fixes that. It's a reusable blueprint, not a rulebook for one specific product. Here is the full 5 layer stack. Base to top. Layer 1 infrastructure. The physical nodes and network will be there. Layer 2 blockchain platform. Their consistent ledgers will be there. Third one middleware, the integration bridge. Fourth one application and smart contracts where business logic lives. Fifth one business and presentation, what people actually interact with. Now we are going to see about each layers. Layer 1 infrastructure and network. This is the foundation everything else depends on. There will be a peer node, it's running the client software. Then there will be a P2P networking, the protocols that gossip transactions and blocks around the network. Third, storage. Ledger storage, sometimes paired with off-chain stores like IPFS for large files. Then hosting model. Cloud, on-prem, or hybrid Kubernetes deployments will be happen here. Next, we are going to see about the blockchain platform. This is the engine room. Here, the consensus mechanisms will happen. POW, POS, PBFT, Raft, whichever fits your trust model. Then distributed ledger. It holds the replicated state. Then the membership services. It uses to managing certificates and identify for permission networks. Then cryptographic core. Hashing and digital signatures underpinning all of it. Then we are going to see about layer 3 middleware and integration. This is the layer most of them underestimate. It's the bridge between the chain and the outside world. Here the APIs, SDKs, oracles, event queues, enterprise connectors all will be there. In APIs and SDKs, exposing chain functions to application. It used for exposing the functions. Then oracles. It's a bringing trusted off-chain data to on-chain. It will communicate the outside world's news to the inside the blockchain. And event queues. It publishing the transaction events to downstream. Then enterprise connectors. It is used into the ERPs and CRMs enterprises already who runs it. Next is we are going to see about layer 4. It is application and smart contract. This is where the actual business logic lives. There will be a chain code, smart contracts. It used to encode the rules. Then multi-step workflows. It used for approvals, escrows, milestone releases. Then we are going to see about access control logic. Who can call what, which access, who can control the which access. All permissions are run there. It also tells about who can involve which contract function, who can control all those things. Then testing and versioning. It is a discipline since deployed contract logic is hard to change. Then fifth one is business and presentation. This is what end users, partners and regulators actually see. There will be a dashboards and mobile apps, then reporting reporting and analytics. It is built on the ledger data. Business rules engine, where policy gets configured without touching a contract code. Then stakeholder specific views, different audiences looking at the same underlying data. Now we are going to see about cross-cutting concerns. Four concerns don't sit in any one layer, they cut across all five. Identity and access, it used for authenticate every actor everywhere. Then security, key management, encryption, threat monitoring end to end. Governs, who can join the network or propose a change. Then interoperability, lets this chain talk to other chains and system. Keep all these things in your mind as you design any layer. We are going to see about worked examples for food supply chain traceability. Let's map this onto something concrete. What is this here? Fifth one, layer 5 business. Retailer app shows form to self journey with a QR scan. Then fourth layer application. Smart contract records each handoff. Form, processor, retailer. Then middleware. IoT Oracle feeds cold chain temperature readings on chain. And second one is platform. Permission network, example Hyperledger Fabric, reaches consensus per handoff. And first one infrastructure. Each supply chain partner runs a peer node on their own cloud account. Every layer we have seen doing a real work. Recap and takeaways. There are five layers: infrastructure, platform, middleware, application, and business. Then identity, security, governance, interoperability or cut across every layer. A reference architecture is a shared blueprint, not a fixed product specification. Then real deployment, map cleanly onto this five layer stack. Thank you. This is all about blockchain solution reference architecture. Thank you.